Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is AJ and I'm a fashion designer based in Edo State. So here I'll be sharing fashion tricks, I'm sharing fashion tips, and I'll be telling you what you need to know about the fashion business and also what you need to know about your sewing machine. So this is just going to be about fashion design. This channel is about fashion designing, and journey with me. So today I'll be sharing with you how to assemble your sewing machine. So you got it new in the box and it was disassembled. Today you're going to learn how to fix it. Follow me through this journey. So this is my sewing machine. I just moved it down to Edo State and it came here dismantled. So watch me as I show you how to assemble the sewing machine. So the first things you'll be needing is you should have the screws. Now these screws come with your sewing machine. So these are the big ones for the legs. I don't know if you can see it. These are the big ones for the legs, and these are the small ones for the head parts. So I'm going to show you how to assemble this. Also, you'll be needing screws. Now your sewing machine comes with three types of screwdrivers. It comes with this small one. So this small one comes with this medium size, and it comes with a big one. Now I got my sewing machine in 2019 and I noticed that it didn't come with the big one, and so I'll be using this knife as the flathead screwdriver, the big one. And also you need a star head screwdriver. You need this. It doesn't come with your sewing machine, but you need to get it. So you need this also to assemble your sewing machine. So these are the legs of your sewing machine, and these are the first things you're going to assemble. So you're going to join it with this. If you can see me, you're going to join it with this. So while doing this, first thing you notice is there's this body. The brand of my sewing machine is Bodyfly. So if it's butterfly you're using, make sure the butterfly rating on the legs on this paddle, make sure it's facing you. That's how you know it's the front. Now you get your screws. So let's keep this somewhere. We start with this one first. So this is your screw. You must make sure it also has this round thing. They come together, you see it. First thing you put is this. First thing I like to do is to go in with my hand so that it can stabilize this part before I go in with my flathead screwdriver. Make sure you tighten it so that it won't loosen when you're sewing. Yes, so that part is tight. Now we're going to get the second legs. Let me bring all this one screw. For this, you may need two hands, but I'm just showing you how to do it without on your own. So now let's go to the second part. Now this second leg, you fix them together again like this. Now you can also put your leg here to stabilize it on the paddle. You can do that. Let's do this here. You have to make sure it aligns with this part. Make sure you tighten this part because this is what you'll be using. This is where you've been paddling, I mean, when you are paddling, so that it won't lose. It's going to be like this. Do you understand? So I notice now that there are two holes. I have two holes here. That's this and this for this paddle. So there are two holes. Now this is the sewing machine facing me. You don't want to put it. You don't want to put it on. You don't want to fix this to this hole. Rather, you fix it here. You make the screws tightly fit. The last thing you have to do to these screws and to go over them again and make sure they are properly fit. Okay, this is fine. Okay, so they are fine. Now we have our legs ready. Now the next part we are going to is harden this top. So this is the next part. Okay, this is the back. So you have to be very careful. Now this part that looks like this, let me bring the camera closer. So you see this part. This part. You must make sure they face the back. They must be facing the back. Why this part should be facing you. So I'm going to turn it. I hope you can see. First thing to do is to get your screws. So the screws for this the screws for this are smaller, and you need a star head screwdriver for them. Don't make the mistake of using a flat head. It's not going to work. So for this, you have to make sure you get the star head screwdriver or you borrow. So first, like I always say, you go in with your hands and you continue. So basically, all you are doing is to drive the nails inside. Also make sure you drive them in very well. So you don't want to be sewing and the head is going up like this. So you have to make sure you drive them in very well. So to do this, you need little carpentry skills. Oh my god. You have to screw the 4 places. This part, this part, this part, and this part. You have to screw the 4 places. So I don't know if you can see me from there, but it's basically what you are doing here is just screwing. You just screw this part too. The same method. You pass them through the whole of the leg to the wood. So we are done with the top part. You take this aside. Then you can see this will tell you that the legs are fixed properly. There's no part of there's no part that is shaking. You have to ensure that this part is okay before you go to fixing the head. Now to fix the head, this tool has to be standing. It has to be in the standing position. So guys, the next thing you need to do is to fix the head of your machine to this top, to the machine top. You have to fix the head of the machine. Now, this part actually, it's not easy because this alone is very heavy and you need to be doing it alone. But if you have someone around, they can assist you. But this video is to teach you how to do it yourself if there's nobody around or you stay alone. So let's start with this. So these two parts have to be facing up. Now, here you need strength. So I don't know, maybe you will have to take an energy boost drink before doing this. So first, you've been able to put one. Now we go to second one. You have to be very careful so that you don't hurt yourself. Because I've actually hurt myself doing this before. Yes, so we are done. We fixed both parts. So our sewing machine is ready now. It's ready now. Okay, that's mine. I've not passed the rope, so it can't move. So you see. So this is it. You fixed your sewing machine. Now we have your rope. You can just pass it along. Okay guys, thank you for following me through this journey of assembling my sewing machine. So until next time, always stay happy, be positive. Don't forget to like my videos. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to share. If you have any questions, you can send them in the comment section. And also don't forget to subscribe. Press that red button, the subscribe button, and also turn on the notification bell, so that when next I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know about it. Bye. See you next time.